Good morning, everybody. Look where we're at right now. Don't fall. Look at this. How cool is that? This is incredible. This is absolutely incredible.
I wanted to see this
forever.
Since I was a kid.
You can't go on there.
Guess where we're going next?
Oh, they drive us there.
Yeah.
Okay, that's what I was going to say. Hi, everybody. We're at the Hoover Dam. This is the bridge. We have to walk all the way?
No. Just go as far as you want.
This is insane. It's so cool. Look at this. Oh, it was an ordeal getting here, but we made it. We made it. Like, look at how amazing this is, everybody. For those of you who don't know, there was a little bit of an ordeal.
They don't know yet.
You guys don't know yet, but it's on the video. So, this morning, Nick and I knew we were getting on a tour bus at Planet Hollywood Hotel in Vegas. We need to be there. Our paperwork all said 7:30. So, we're like, okay, we'll wake up around 6, get ready, make our way. So we get to the hotel, we jump into a cab, get to Planet Hollywood, looking, where do we go? Can't find anything, so we call the company. They didn't tell us it was a 6:30 meet for a leaving by 7:30. So,
they left before 7:30.
They left before 7:30. So, anyways, we had to take an Uber all the way to the Hoover Dam to meet up with our bus. But we met up with them now, so we're good. That's all that matters. But it was worth it just to see this. Like, it was freaking phenomenal. Yeah, we can't wait to actually walk on the dam. Although when we walk on it, all I'm going to be able to think of is 2012, whatever movie. Yeah, San Andreas.
Pulling a bike.
Yeah. You know what's really insane too? And I'm going to say it. Being this close to a mountain. Like, this is crazy. We don't see these in Ontario much, right? And it's real. And we're crossing over to Nevada. We were just in Arizona. Now we're crossing back to Nevada. Today, there's a breeze, but it's hot. It's hot. Nick's a sweaty mess. Look how sweaty Nick is right now. He's got angel wings.